In 2025, the bathroom is not just a place to clean yourself, but also a sanctuary to pamper yourself. With the right color palette, you can create an atmosphere that is calming, refreshing, or even invigorating. Discover the latest bathroom color inspirations that will make you fall in love with your own bathroom. In this video, I have selected the top 10 bathroom colors that promise to transform your space into a haven of comfort and style. Number 1. Layflower by Sherwin Williams. Layflower is a delicate pink that exudes warmth and subtlety, making it an ideal choice for bathrooms. It's not just a color, it's an experience. This shade feels gentle and welcoming, which is perfect for creating a romantic and tranquil bathroom retreat. Designers love it because it balances softness with a modern flair, appealing to those who want a space that feels personal and serene. To make Layflower stand out, pair it with crisp white fixtures which amplify its softness and elegance. Consider incorporating gold accents such as drawer pulls or light fixtures for a luxurious edge. Textured materials like marble countertops or rose gold hardware enhance its sophistication, while floral or geometric patterns can subtly echo the pink tones, creating a cohesive look. Number 2. Burnt Cinnamon by Benjamin Moore. Burnt cinnamon is a bold, deep red with earthy undertones that instantly elevates any bathroom. This shade radiates warmth, making the space feel inviting and cozy. It's a great choice for those who want to make a dramatic statement while still maintaining a sense of sophistication. Pair burnt cinnamon with creamy whites or off-whites to soften its intensity and create a balanced, warm ambiance. For a rustic vibe, consider natural wood accents like oak or walnut, which harmonize beautifully with the rich red tones. Metallic accents in copper or brass add a touch of glamour, while beige tiles or rugs complement the palette seamlessly. Number 3. Mindful Gray by Sherwin Williams. Mindful Gray is one of those timeless shades that adapts effortlessly to any design style. Its soft gray tones are calming and neutral, making it perfect for modern, transitional, or even industrial-style bathrooms. It creates a soothing environment, ideal for a space where you start and end your day. Mindful Gray works wonders in bathrooms with ample natural light, as it reflects and enhances brightness. Pair it with white tiles or cabinetry to maintain a light, airy feel. For a more dramatic look, use darker accents like charcoal or navy in accessories or towels. It's also a great base for introducing textures like stone or patterned tiles. Number 4. Porpoise by Sherwin Williams. Porpoise is a deep blue-gray shade that brings a sophisticated, tranquil vibe to bathrooms. It feels modern yet timeless, evoking the serene quality of the ocean or twilight skies. This shade is perfect for those who want to create a calming retreat with a touch of drama. Metallic accents in silver or chrome pair beautifully with porpoise, adding a touch of sleekness to the design. Crisp white elements such as sinks or bathtubs create contrast, making the color stand out. To soften the look, incorporate plush, light-toned textiles like towels or rugs. Number 5. Skylight by Pharaoh and Ball. Skylight is a soft, ethereal blue that instantly uplifts a bathroom, mimicking the feeling of a clear sky. It's perfect for small or dimly lit bathrooms, as its light tones brighten and open up the space. Use skylight on walls to create the illusion of more space, especially when paired with glossy white tiles or mirrors that reflect light. To complete the look, incorporate light wood or bamboo accents for a natural, breezy feel. For a subtle pop, consider pastel-colored accessories like soap dispensers or shower curtains. Number 6. Even Better Beige by Beige. Even Better Beige is a warm neutral that never goes out of style. It's cozy yet versatile, offering a blank canvas that can adapt to traditional, rustic, or modern aesthetics. Layer beige with other warm neutrals like taupe or cream for a monochromatic look, that feels cohesive and inviting. Matte black fixtures, such as faucets or towel racks, add a contemporary twist. To enhance the cozy vibe, add plush textiles like bath mats and soft towels in complementary shades. Number 7. Boreal by Beige. Boreal is a deep green that echoes the lushness of forests, bringing a sense of serenity and connection to nature into your bathroom. It's bold yet calming, making it an excellent choice for statement walls or vanities. Balance Boreal with lighter shades like soft gray or white to prevent it from overpowering the room. For a natural look, include wood elements like shelving or a vanity. Greenery, such as potted plants, complements the color and enhances its organic vibe. Number 8. Sprig of Sage by Valpar. Sprig of Sage is a fresh, muted green that feels clean and rejuvenating. Its understated tone makes it suitable for creating a natural spa-like atmosphere. Pair it with terracotta accents or blush tones for a modern, earthy aesthetic. Textured elements like woven baskets or stone countertops enhance its natural appeal, while warm metallics like rose gold add a touch of elegance. Number 9. Gleeful Yellow by HGTV Home by Sherwin. This vibrant yellow is perfect for adding energy and warmth to your bathroom. It's an excellent choice for creating a lively space, especially in homes where mornings need an extra boost of sunshine. To avoid overwhelming the space, balance Gleeful Yellow with neutral tones like white or light gray. Wooden accents bring warmth, while minimal decor ensures the color remains the focal point. Number 10. Potpourri Green by Benjamin Moore. Potpourri green is a pastel shade that's soothing and sophisticated. It's ideal for creating a tranquil bathroom that feels fresh and inviting. Pair potpourri green with natural elements like bamboo shelves or pebble flooring to enhance its spa-inspired feel. Add soft, warm lighting and white accents to complete the relaxing ambiance. In 2025, bathroom color trends are all about blending warmth, nature, and timeless elegance. Whether you're drawn to bold, statement-making hues or calming, soothing tones, there's a perfect shade waiting to elevate your space. Ready to bring your dream bathroom to life? Let these designer-approved colors guide your transformation and turn your vision into a stunning reality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which color you're excited to try. Your feedback inspires us to create more content just for you.